Alright, boys, day 386. Let's get into this shit. No trades today. No trades today. We're just gonna back test a little bit, lock this shit in, hold it down. Five minutes R line bearish. Okay. I don't like trading this higher time frame trend, as you guys know, especially this early. So I'd fade short here, especially because we just took out a couple draws. Although the fact that we inversed to the upside then inversed back to the downside on both indexes after making a bearish SMT, yeah, with the 5 minutes aligned bearish, it's definitely going to be a short here down to Asia low, break even at London low. A little bit riskier setup, but I like the structure that I'm seeing. And then we don't really have another low to target after that, so. Okay, so unfortunately I got stopped right there. Let's see if there's another entry. Okay, so I think that's just a little bit unfortunate. Yeah, that was low-key a dumbass trade. We were ranging to screenshot, ranging between draws and against the higher time frame. No clear 5-minute direction. Yeah, that was just not a good trade, boys. That's the type of shit I need to avoid. Not the same day. Markets are opposite right now. There's the 5 minutes aligning. We do have low resistance draws. ES looks great to take shorts. But again, this is trading against our time frame trend and we're in an hourly gap. So probably not going to trade this shit. Medium version. Could take shorts around here. I'm good off that though. And now we're just chop. Holy chop. Alright, boys. Next day. Like 2 more days of October to see if we'll come out of this month profitable. Not looking too good though. Okay, we're range bound, higher time frame still bullish. Draws in both directions. What does market do? Nothing, 'cause it's not even open yet. Okay, nice, boys. We don't have shit to go off of. Unless you reverse here, that's our only opportunity. Inverse there, we gotta wait for a break here. There's that break. I can see a retrace. Getting a good one here. Let's see if we inverse. Okay, I'm validating an SMT. And Q's leading to the downside. Alright, nah, ES is leading. Got great draws. Just gotta wait for that break. On NQ. Okay, I'm really just chopping dogs. Finally got the break, but now I'm good off this shit. Price ended up delivering. Of course, this month has just always been ass, dude. Last day of October. Actually, is it 31? Not sure. That low dumping. So this is a 4-hour swing low here. If I can mark it out. Oh my gosh. I hate this app, bro. I'll have equal lows there. If we get an immediate reversion to the downside or something, that's what I'm targeting, boys. Okay. Inversion there, and now it's looking like the bias did a complete 180 flip bullish. Triple relative equal highs. Stacked up as low resistance draws. Never got that break to the downside. There's that break, retrace, no inversion. Still gotta wait for that break. In a 1 minute, inverse the 1 minute. We're just chopping now. Oh my days, boys. Where does the market want to frickin' go? Holy shit. Okay, now I'm flipped back to bearish just because of this relative equal low. Okay, there's a retrace for long and for shorts. Broke back to the downside on both, retracing. Let's see if we want to change order flow. Back down. Jeez, dude. Okay, I'm done. This market's ass. Holy shit, this market's ass, bro. Oh my god, do you see this shit, boys? Market has no clue where it wants to go. That's making me pissed off. There's no entries. Swept out that. Let's rotate higher. How did we just randomly gap up? Why is this fucking FX replay, guys? Gotta start submitting complaints. And thank you for deleting all my fucking shit. Market's just not going anywhere. Super liquid range. Asia lows. Asia lows. I want to wait for a proper movement to the upside. Broke on one, not on the other. Like, what am I supposed to do here? We're just fucking shopping here. Literally straight chop work. Alright, we'll do another week, first week of November. November's my month, I guess. November, this is my month. Filling this 30-minute. Oh, beautiful. Like, why is this site so ass? Okay, we're gonna have to see. First, do some soon. I hate this site so much. Genuinely hate this site. Like what? Where am I supposed to go, bro? I'm trying to be open to trading more, but I can't with this price action. November 12th. Okay. Like what is this shit? How is market not open? Okay, coming up, sweeping liquidity. If we want to continue higher with no retrace, there's our retrace. Jeez, dudes. Clearly closer on NAS. Just traded these relative equal. Highs, I'm making it hourly, how far is that? Can't take this shit, boys. Like, what am I supposed to do with this price action? Like, what am I supposed to do with this price action? Wow, I'm in a short here. Take profits here. Why? Higher time frame. We're rejecting out of an hourly gap. Bearish here, bearish there. You get the point. No strong draws to the upside. Price breaks the downside. Comes up. We have an unmitigated 4 or 5 in it, and a low. Hold. Nah. I'm just gonna take it for what it is. 1 to 1.06. Or 1 to 1.2. Thank you. Man, of course it would have dumped. Of course, dude. Oh my god, bro. I'm going back. To be on the 1 minute, let's see if there's an entry. Price didn't really move anywhere, so. No, there's still no entry. Like, yeah, we have random ass high there. High. Price opens higher towards draws. Now we got a manipulation. We're a bit overextended. Need to see that. Manipulation. Of course we have this shit. Now that we got this bullish SMT, I guess all I'm waiting for is a change in order flow to the upside. Can't tell with these candles. Now, set this 5-minute low and set a 5-minute gap towards these draws. Just waiting for some sort of break. There we go. Long that bitch right here. Stops here. First take profit and then second. Broke on both. Swept a 5-minute low and set a 5-minute gap. This is A+. Holy shit. Holy shit. Thank you. What is this, bro? Still. It's not even real non-farm. Loki might just close out everything here. This is a strong draw. Loki is. Okay. Shit took way too long. I guess it is a pretty big move. It was a pretty big move, but we had the volatility prior. Executed. Setup, executed, well, price, lost volatility at entry. Good start to November. Alright, we dumped through all these little draws. Let's see if we want to continue or if we want to reverse here. So like this could be a short entry, but it's not that great of an entry. Especially because market's insanely commercial. Like the fact that we just came off these draws, I just can't take it. Of course, boys. Of course, boys. I mean, I have to take this shit. And hold everything else towards that. Yeah, well. It's a huge move to dump even more, but whatever. Yeah, that's low-key. Should just take this for 1-to-1. That's chill. We'll just go with the 0.7. Nice. Wow. 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 Barely missed his profit. Kind of shocked there. Good setup though. Knew that price was overextended. We were very close to a strong draw. So after the retrace, I entered and conversion. Okay, last day, boys. What do we see? It looks like we're just gonna dump straight to take profits. Broke to the upside. We're so close to our targets. It's going to be the same thing as yesterday. Yep. There's the break on both indexes. Yeah, straight on. Straight on NAS because we have a bearish SMT and we also have decent draws. Might as well get that 1-to-1. Gotta be kidding. You got to be kidding, dude. I gotta re-enter this. Just filled the imbalance better, filled equilibrium. Do we have enough fuel to kick us lower now that we retrace even more? Took the 5-minute high. I think so. I'm gonna go ahead and get back in here. Broke on both indexes. This could be horrible for me. We're just so close to this low, I think we kind of have to take it. Okay. Break even there. And we got stopped at break even. Very unfortunate way to end that. 2 losses. Still ended profitable in this first week of November. Oh, I'm lagging like fuckhead. First trade. We were again close to the low, so I thought mini retrace was fine. Price ended up, sweeping the high inside the gap. Immediate inversion for immediate for 1 minute break. A plus. Took it. Okay, still overly up though. In that week, this week 1 trade. This month is just always ass. Yeah, our bets. Analytics again, really shit. 60% win rate's fine. Just this shit's really got to improve. October was negative. All the other months we were green. Not by a lot whatsoever. A lot to improve on. This week it was really fine for me. I love you boys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.